Beach days shouldn't start with parking chaos, but in peak season, they usually do. Cars lining the streets, lots filling up early, drivers parking wherever they can, blocking access, ignoring signage, parking in restricted areas, and suddenly, what should feel like a relaxing day starts with frustration. The challenge isn't just demand, it's enforcement. Most beach areas still rely on manual parking enforcement. Officers walking the lot, checking permits, writing tickets one by one. That creates delays, missed violations, and inconsistent enforcement. And when rules aren't enforced consistently, people stop following them. The areas that manage this best focus on real-time enforcement. Clear rules, better visibility, and consistent action across every vehicle. So access stays open, traffic keeps moving, and visitors can actually enjoy their day. Because at the beach, the experience starts the moment you arrive. Want to see how smarter beach parking enforcement works? Scan the QR code to schedule a quick demo with ParqEx.